Hi guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a decorate with me for my fall coffee bar station. I love decorating for all the seasons, and today I am sharing how I decorate my coffee bar for the fall. Here is a little glimpse of my current coffee bar. It's pretty plain right now because it's kind of summer and I don't have a lot of summer decorations for the coffee bar. I did have a Sunday station over here where that cake stand was, but I removed it a couple of weeks ago in preparation for the fall time. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything, clean off the surface, and then what I do in my process, which is crazy, a little crazy, is I kind of pull everything that I'm gonna try to use or some stuff that I think might work in the area and just kind of put it over here on the side, and then I'll start kind of like placing it over here to see what I feel like looks the cutest. But I do want to share a couple of things before we start. So what I have is these oil bottles from World Market that I saw on Pinterest, and a blogger that was using them for syrup bottles, which I thought was like a genius idea and I loved it. But what I'm doing a little different than they are is I am labeling the bottles so I know what the syrup is in there. So how I did that was I purchased these little stickers from Hobby Lobby, I believe, and then I'm just sticking them on the bottle so I know what syrup is what. The Pinterest site that I did see these on has these little tags, and I can link it below for you guys so you can see like how they label them, but I just wanted to use stickers. My camera lens is there. And then I have just a cake stand so I can have some treats by there. I did purchase this sign. Where did I get this one at? I think this one is from Hobby Lobby as well, and it just says be thankful. So my color scheme is white and gold. Yeah, and then I have this, maybe I'll use it, I don't know, I'm not sure, but sometimes I like to put a pumpkin on it, so we'll see how that goes. I did buy the syrups, and I do make lattes all the time, so I will use these syrups all the time. But I bought vanilla, hazelnut, and of course I felt like I needed some pumpkin spice because it's fall time. And then I have these old pumpkins from last year or the year before, I don't recall, but I thought they would just make good little extra decorations. I have two possible cake stands I could use. And then just another mug. I don't think I have very many fall mugs actually, but most of the time at my coffee bar I have my favorite mugs, which is like the hubby and wife mug that I have right now, so I'll probably use those. Oh, and then I have this gorgeous pumpkin from Z Gallery. It's super old too, but I brought it up. Let's go ahead and get started with cleaning. So if you can see, I need to definitely empty the side. This is an espresso machine. It is like the closest thing that will make espresso shots without having like a real espresso machine, so I love it so much. This, I always display my pods here, and that's my frother. That's just black coffee for like a French press. Sometimes I have French press, so that's where that coffee goes. That's just an old cake stand, but everything's gonna get moved out and cleaned up. Now the area is super clean and it's time to, I guess, decorate, or how do they say it? Style, I don't know, whatever you prefer. here is the finished product, my fall coffee bar 2019. I think it came out really cute. I love all the little pumpkin touches, and I especially love these little bottles. They came out super cute. I will be making lots of lattes. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite fall coffee drink is. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!